Hi, Maria here from Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Pro All-Over Shader Brush from Beauty Junkees. This brush has dense, rounded bristles that are designed to pack on shadow all over the entire lid for a smooth and even finish. To use, dip the brush into the Beauty Junkees eyeshadow shade that you would like to use, and be sure to tap off any excess. Then just simply pat and dab the color on. You really only have to do minimal sweeping and minimal effort. Really just pat, 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 and the color is bam, right there on your lid. Because of how dense and wide this brush is, it really packs on the pigment on your lid with little effort on your part. Again, just pat the brush where you want the shadow to go. And that's it. That's how you use the Pro All-Over Shader Brush from Beauty Junkees. Thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful day.